Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to manage item checking, service work and payments. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module Odoo PoS Service Management. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to POS app, go to configuration menu and see here this menu service nodes. First create here like a hurry up. Another is the emergency. And third one is the priority. Let's save. Now go to settings. Provided here option service management. First allow this. If you want to display check-in time, check-out or service order, I created hurry up, emergency and priority. So select here. I want all. Let's save. Now go to dashboard and continue sharing from the furniture shop. Open register. Now select product like a block theme. Add customer like Billy Fox. Now click on this action menu and see here this service node. Now open it and display here your created service node, hurry up, emergency and priority. Now select and display here these nodes. Now apply. Again go to this action menu and now check in. So display here customer name with phone number. Select here manually date and time. If you want to display on receipt customer name with number, here allow these options. Write here any comments or instruction like important. Select a product display with quantity, price and note is hurry up. Now check in and display here this info that service order and number created successfully. Now go to your created order and see here this menu service order. Now click on and display here your created order with status checking. Also display here customer name, phone number, check-in date time, soap is the furniture shop and session number. Here select a product with quantity, unit price and service notes and also display here your added comments. If you want to start processing, easily click on this and if ready, then click on this mark ready. Again go to dashboard, go to furniture shop and when you click on directly on the action, then service node and checking is disabled and only enable checkout. Now click on in your created order. Now select this. Now display here these details of product. Now click on this checkout button. Again display here info that service order number proceed to payment. Due payment. Select here payment method. Due validate. In your printed receipt in display, service checkout status, service order number, customer details, name Billy Fox and also display here product name with service not hurry up. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.